10 maths revision. Now, in the two class, I have explained about the question number 35. Then, after that, 35, and after 35, 34. Last class 35 question, that is mensuration, I have explained. And in the mensuration, in the chapter, question number 34 will be from height and distance, that is application of trigonometry. In height and distance, I have explained the figures, and very important is how to make the figure. The terms you must know, that is angle of elevation, angle of depression, line of sight. But before that, when you read the question for the when you are reading the question, that is of height and distance from the question paper, what you have to keep in your mind, that is like this: first, angle of elevation or depression, angle of elevation, depression of what, from where, and by how much, this is the first thing you keep in your mind. After keeping this, now questions. The questions what you will be having, that is, in the question, variety of questions are there. And internal choice is given in the sample paper. So we will be doing that question. So question is what? Two ships are approaching. The question is 34. Two ships are approaching a lighthouse from opposite direction. The angle of depression, of the two ships, from the lighthouse are 30° and 45°. If the distance between the two ships are 100 meter, and find the height of the lighthouse. Now this question is asked in the exam. two ships are approaching a lighthouse from opposite direction. The angle of depression of two ships, that is, this is the lighthouse. Now, two ships, one is 30 degree, the angle of depression. So, this is normal side, this is normal side, and this is parallel to this. So, one angle is 30 degree, the depression is like this, 30 degree. So, you write 30 degree here. This is lighthouse, 45 degree. Now you can say that this is 45 degree. So the distance between two ships is 100 meter. You can take this x, this x. So this will be 100 minus x. If I take this as this, you can take as x, 100 minus x, 100 minus x, and this whole is 100. After this, you can give the name P, Q, R, S. PQRS. So you can write here P R is a lighthouse of height H meter. First of all, you write like this: let QR equal to X meter. SR 100 minus X, SQ, that is Q as 100 meter. So all that is QS is the distance between two ships. This in this question, now when you are solving, I told you to have this statement in your mind. That is the angle of elevation, angle of depression from what, from where, and if you know this, hopefully you will be able to solve the question. Now two right angle triangle you have to take. One is PRS, another is PQR. This is 45 degree. Have a practice, write this 45 degree. So two equations you will get. What are the two equations you will be having? That is, first write what is the right angle triangle. Now you can have in right angle triangle P R Q, another in right angle triangle P R S. So P R Q, H upon X, that is tan 45, H upon X, tan 45 is 1, H equal to X, first equation. Second, we have H upon 100 minus X equal to perpendicular upon base, that is tan 30, H 100 minus X, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now you can solve this. Now what you will do, H equal to 100 minus X upon root 3. Second, equating equation 1 and 2. So you will say x equal to 100 minus x upon root 3. So root 3x equal to 100 minus x, root 3x plus x equal to 100. X common, root 3 plus 1, 100. X equal to 100 by root 3 plus 1, x 100. You can take 1.732 plus 1, x 100, 2.732, x 100 into 1000 upon 2732 and get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, now what is h? So h you will get, that is, you can have a calculation about the values. So that is 36.6 meter is the value of x. Now h is what, x, that is 36.6 meter. So because this is what you have to do. So one question of height and distance will be there in the exam.